you want to know that Neutrogena hydrating gel mask worth the hype or you should buy it? Watch this complete tutorial to know this. So here comes the packaging. Packaging is really nice and shiny, and it has the same blue color like Neutrogena Hydroboost series. I have uploaded review on Neutrogena Hydroboost water gel cream review, so you can go and watch that on my channel. So this contains with 100% hyaluronic acid, and it's the packet says it instantly quenches your skin, it hydrates, and it supples the skin and also hydrate. It's almost 30 gram one packaging, and the direction is you have to cleanse your face, then peel the white film, and then apply it on your face for around 15 minutes, and then you can simply remove after 15 minutes this mask. The package also says it's non-comedogenic, it's gentle on skin, it contains hyaluronic acid. We all know that it's an innovative hydrogel mask with hyaluronic acid. It instantly quenches your skin, hydrate, smooth and supple. This mask is made from a unique 100% hydrogel material. It contains to your skin and seals in the formula for optimal absorption to deliver clinically proven results. It contains 100% hyaluronic acid in the form of hydrolyzed hyaluronic acid that come from the hydrolyzing hyaluronic acid with water that makes the skin soft and smooth. If you have watched my review video of CeraVe cleansers where I have explained in detail the difference between hydrolyzed hyaluronic acid and the sodium hyalurate. Hydrogel are made of synthetic polymer that have the ability to retain the relatively large quantities of liquid. That is the reason they have put this in this mask. So for the application of this mask, first I have applied this serum. This is the Pink Vital Serum by Etude House. I bought it from Dubai and it's really good serums, I bet you. Then I have applied the ordinary niacinamide 10%, zinc 1%. I'm going to make the review of this product too sooner. It was easy to tear this mask. It comes into two pieces, one for the upper face, another for the lower face. I was really excited because I always wish face masks to be in two pieces. God knows why. They never stay on my face if it's on one piece, but it was a real mess when I just open it. The mask, one side of the mask is textured and other side is like a slippery one, and it's in between the white cardboard type and a clear plastic sheet, and it was really difficult for me to understand how I should open it. So first I opened the chin part and then I opened the upper part one. I really like the texture of the mask. It's just like a hydrogel. It's a cooling effect sort of, and there were lots of water in the packaging, and you can see the one side is the textured one and the other side is the slippery one. So the textured side should be go onto your skin and the slippery one on the other side. This is my face. It's red, you can see, because of the dryness, and obviously I cannot show you the dryness on my skin. You cannot simply see it. So I have applied this face mask on my skin, and you can see there was no part of my face was left. It covered my face completely. I watched lots of videos where people they complain it didn't cover their face completely. There were some sides that were left that the mask didn't cover. Maybe I have the broader face, I really don't know. For other sheet mask I usually get a struggle. I have to struggle. The good thing about this face mask, it has the flaps for your lips and for your eyes too. This is the part that you don't see in other face masks. These flaps are there to hydrate your skin and your lips if you want to hydrate. The water that was left on the packaging I applied on my face. I saw this doing in China where they used to do the same step, and then I opened my timer. I will leave this mask for around 30 minutes, not 15 minutes, because I really want to see the extreme hydrating effect. So when I stopped my timer, it was 34 minutes instead of 35. The mask stayed on my face literally. You know, I changed my bed sheets, I literally cleaned my washroom, but still the mask, it didn't go anywhere. So I was really amazed because I saw lots of videos or reviews where people complain the mask didn't stick on their face, but for me it was not the case. It is amazing in that aspect. It's just stuck and it was really comfortable. You don't feel anything irritating, anything else. And when I removed my mask, my skin was really hydrated. It was like the redness that was on my skin, it just went away a little bit. But the sad part about this mask, like this hydration, it didn't stay for the next day. Like on the next day, I didn't feel anything on my face. Like I have applied any hydroboost mask, and it's 3.9 Canadian dollar. So I guess it's quite expensive in that part, like if you have to just apply for once. Let me tell you, this cream, this Happy Hydration Elf cream, it's really good. If you want to buy some hydrating cream, just go and buy it. So I applied this cream on my face in the end to restore the hydration, but I didn't see that that hydration, it stays in the same price, like 5 Canadian dollar. I can buy 2 Korean sheet masks. They are, I think, they are better than that, like one from Misha or another Korean sheet mask. I think one reason that hydration, it didn't stay, it because of the hydrolyzed hyaluronic acid that works on the surface of the skin and not the deeper layer, not like the sodium hyalurate. So I will definitely not purchase it again, not for the regular use. You can use this mask right before any event for instant hydration, but its effect doesn't last long. So in that same price, you can make your own sheet mask, or you can buy some Korean sheet masks that have better results, and you can use them for everyday use. The last con part was for environmental reason, it is not good to have additional paste. So if you like my videos, like my channel, comment below, subscribe. Bye bye.